Douglas buttoned his lip as the kettle whistled in the pub. The same old chair creaked under his weight like always. 2 sugars dissolved slowly in his tea. No rush today. Across the table, the other man stirred his drink silently. Years of grease still clung to Douglas's fingers like memories. The clock ticked, but neither man glanced up at it. Rain tapped the window like an old friend knocking softly. The barmaid knew their order before they even sat down. "Not my cup of tea," the other man would sometimes mutter. Douglas nodded, though he hadn't heard a word spoken. Their silence was a well-worn path between 2 old souls. The newspaper rustled, but neither turned to read the headlines. Outside, the world moved fast, but here time stood still. Douglas sipped his tea and felt the warmth of quiet company. Some things didn't need words to be understood between them.